Hi, today we are very excited to introduce you to one of the best villas we have on our portfolio. This is Villa Vista, and we are in Costabella. Costabella is located in Marbella East, right after Los Monteros. This is a lovely area, very quiet. You'll be literally from here 30 seconds from the beach shore. You'll have a couple of beach clubs around, such as boat club. You have a lot of chiringuitos, restaurants, everything you need to spend some lovely time here. You'll be just a couple of minutes driving from Marbella, and 15 minutes from Portobello. You'll have all the quietness of this residential area without having all the troubles. This villa here is composed of 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. You have good private parking for at least 3 cars. You have a lovely barbecue area. You have a wonderful swimming pool, and you have all the most modern amenities you need for your family or friends to spend a lovely time here and discover the wonders of Marbella. So come on with us and let us introduce you to Villa Vista. So, what do you think about this villa? I am sure, just like me, you would love to wake up every day with this astonishing. This is a perfect spot to discover Marbella and all what the Costa del Sol has to offer. You want to enjoy all these sunny days with your friend, with your family, and with a little touch of luxury in this wonderful villa? Reach us, contact us, and I'm sure we will find a spot for you for your next holiday. So, see you soon.